Hi, this is Andy Brown, and welcome to Never Too Old to Start. This is your place on the internet where retirees and those of you getting close to retirement age can learn how to make an easy extra 6 figures in income a year or more on the internet so you don't have to worry about paying your bills or relying on our social insecurity system. Subscribe, because I have a ton of videos and help coming your way. You're going to be so pleasantly surprised how easy it can be. It's too easy to make money online these days, and you do not have to be a techno wizard. I know how worried I was when I lost everything in the Great Recession crash, and I know how worried my parents were in their golden years, especially my mom when my dad passed and she lost a Social Security check. Never Too Old to Start is dedicated to helping the 1% of you with this crazy belief that this does not have to be as good as it gets in your retirement years. Earn that extra income so you can travel, you can have fun, you can do whatever and not have to worry about how you're going to pay your bills. Tell your friends, subscribe to the channel, and let's have some fun.